In the winter of 1936, in the basement of his home in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Harold Beck laid down the roots to what would become the family-owned business that is still thriving today. Just like then, and just like now, we develop devices critical to automating the process controls that run industrial and utility plant operations. From actuators sized for huge combustion control dampers on utility boilers to shoebox-sized models for small control valves, Beck builds reliable and precise actuators that keep the world running smoothly.
My name's Kent Croman, and I'm the engineering manager for the York Water Company. The plant here was constructed back in 1931. We've done several upgrades over the years, and the most recent upgrade is the filter plant. The valves, actuators were part of this upgrade. And several of the valves that we have here at the plant continuously modulate, adjusting the water flow throughout the plant. The Beck actuator allows continuous duty cycle, will not overheat, and that was very attractive to us when we chose the actuator. And of course, the low maintenance was definitely a benefit. The customer service that we've received from Beck has been outstanding. Having a technical rep that actually is an engineer gives us a lot of confidence in the actuators.
Beck rotary and linear actuators meet the toughest demands, and each one's handcrafted in our state-of-the-art factory right here in the USA by a highly skilled staff that pays close and personal attention to every detail. Our factory's equipped with the latest technology, which means we create our own parts right here in-house, and we can maintain the highest quality standards around the clock under one roof. More important than anything, Beck's team is the backbone of our family-owned operation. And that hard work ethic and dedication to perfection shows every day. It speaks volumes that many individuals have been honing their craft here for decades. There are very few companies today privileged to have such a dedicated, experienced workforce. From custom assembly to meet every customer's unique needs, to adding those important finishing touches. From a thorough and strict quality assurance process to the time we ship your actuator, our staff ensures that your actuator meets the highest standards. And it doesn't end there. Beck's application and sales engineers continue to provide unmatched support for the life of the actuator. Beck has decades of expertise in designing solutions for almost any type of actuator application, from custom valve mounting and damper applications to fluid couplings and more. Beck strives to meet the needs of every customer.
I would recommend Beck actuators to anybody in the utility industry for reliability, accuracy, dependability, cost effectiveness. Just a great company and a great actuator.
Beck serves a wide variety of industries, such as electric utilities, water and wastewater, refinery and petrochemicals, steel, pulp and paper, cement and lime, aluminum, mining and minerals. Applications include dampers, control valves, fluid and variable speed couplings, burner tilts, and many more. They're also suitable for almost any industrial environment, from simple weatherproof applications to hazardous environments to extreme temperatures. From personal hands-on craftsmanship and modern design capabilities to our high-tech automated shop floor, Beck is expert in electric actuator manufacture and application support. And with a unique no-burnout motor, virtually no required maintenance, and one of the best warranties around, you can always depend on a high-performance, durable actuator that goes the extra mile.
Sometimes I'll go out on a field service trip to replace some wearable parts on our damper, and I'll see a Beck that's been sitting out in the field for 35 years, and there she is still running. It's amazing how long they last and how durable they are. If a customer calls with an issue and you see the valve was built 15 years ago and it's got a Beck actuator on it, it's almost to the point where I just skip right over the Beck, and it's not going to be the Beck, so let's go further down the line and see what was wrong with the damper, what was wrong with the operation here. The Beck is that reliable. There is no other. This is the Cadillac of actuators, period.
Using the latest tools and technology available, Beck's engineers are constantly designing new and custom solutions to challenging actuator applications. With on-site and field training capabilities available to ensure that everyone on your team knows how to get the most from your actuator, it's just one more way that Beck stands apart from the rest. And for those emergency situations that can sometimes arise, many customers take full advantage of our unique rapid response service. Since Beck works directly with our customers, we can respond immediately to build and ship to you in under 4 hours.
One incident, we had a fire on the corner of the boiler, and the boiler blew out the sidewall, which there was 15 drives on the sidewall that burned them all up. This was the week of Thanksgiving. I give them a call on Monday morning. They had drives to me by Wednesday, all 15 of them, and we were able to get them installed, and they stayed active with the phone so that I could get them set up all through Thanksgiving week and made the plant very happy.
Beck's #1 focus is delivering a successful installation and exceeding end-user expectations. OEMs also appreciate the quality products and support they get direct from our factory.
Everything, even the motor windings, are made here on site, and that to me is amazing. There's not many shops like that left in America.
Since 1936, Beck has continually met the industry's actuator needs in some of the most challenging environments. From the highest of quality control standards to unparalleled attention to detail and craftsmanship, you can always depend on Beck. For more information about your particular industry and application, visit us at haroldbeck.com or call a Beck application or sales engineer at 215-968-4600. Beck, engineered and tested to be the best.